Hi, good minds. It's Sunday, Tony Kudejo Michael. I'm talking to you today about a very popular maxim, a very popular quote that you must have heard countless times. And I just want us to carry it together and see how valid it is. It's called K Sarah Sarah. That's whatever will be, will be. I know you must have heard that quote countless times. Trust me, I hear it almost every day. Someone is always trying to tell me whatever will be. And what I've noticed is that most of the time people use these things when they're trying to tell you that okay, they've done all they know how to do. Like, I've tried my best, Sarah Sarah. I'm here to tell you, I'm very bold actually to tell you that Sarah Sarah is barren. You heard what I said. Whatever will be is actually barren. Sarah Sarah has given birth to no one, has given birth to nothing. There's a divinity part of Sarah Sarah that makes us know that when we've done our part, when we've tried our best, there's a part of God blessing the works of our hands and all that. That's the divinity part. But when you come to the real reality part of it, the day-to-day living part of it, if you don't do stuff, if you don't do what you ought to do, like you want to go abroad now, you never start by having your passport, you're not making any effort, or you want to obtain a BSc, you never take JAMB, you are not going for a PT program, you are not moving in the line of your aspirations, and you keep saying whatever will be. I'm both to tell you that nothing will happen. You know, I grew up in a church. I won't mention the name of the church. I had my early life, my young child, as a young child, my teenage, my early teenage in a church where we get prophecies almost every Sunday. Like when you're going to church, you are expecting that the pastor will see vision to you. You know, he will tell you something, and they'll tell you, like to translate that this child is a child of destiny. They will tell you, Baba, Kimiko, something will happen to you. And those people, up to my time there, I'm trying to say that they just keep getting prophecies. Nothing is happening to them. They are still, you understand, like they are not making progress. And there's this other church where they don't get to always talk every time that this is, but they are making moves and they are getting blessed. So the message is very simple. As much as you want to believe that whatsoever will be, Sarah Sarah, you must also ensure that you are playing your part. You must ensure that you are not just leaving everything to the hand of God. You are not just leaving everything to the hand of a force that is beyond us, a force that is above us, that we believe that controls things. You want to have a child, you are not getting married. You are not having sex. Yeah, sex. Like you want to have a child, you are not having sex. And you are married, you are not having sex. How do you want to have a child? You must have sex. Steady sex. Like, what I'm trying to say is that things only respond. Life responds to those who take actions. Even the Bible says that faith without work is dead. If you want to show me your faith, show me in your work. You are a student, you want to write the exam, you read. You want to make something happen, research about it. Try to get your materials and get busy. So this week, as you go about doing your daily activities, ensure that you are walking your talk, you are doing the necessary things that is required in your own capacity to live in the reality of your aspirations. That's the message for today. Do have a good week. God is intentional. Thank you.